Hey, 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 everybody. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. You're watching Heat 3 at the Gold Cup at Dubbo. This is the last heat of the day and it is super hot. The track is super grippy, super sticky, and this was my worst heat of the day. So I was 2 seconds slower than my usual time. Like, that's how bad this heat was. Originally I thought it was the engine. Now that I've looked at the footage, I've gone over my data and I've analyzed. Oh my god! I've analyzed data as well, and I don't believe it was the engine. There's a few moments where I think it could have been the engine. I was having some issues with my charging system for the battery. I do believe that the electrical system for this engine runs a little bit similar to the Rotax, where if the battery is not fully charged continuously, it does lose a bit of power. So it could have been that a little bit, but I do believe it was more in the kart setup. I do have a very over grippy setup, and you can see that I struggle mid corner and then I just lose it all at the exit of the corners. Like, watch the whole video and you'll see with every kart I lose like 3 kart lengths. It was really annoying, and I couldn't pass anyone because I just struggled to get off the corner and have that acceleration to get this engine to pull. It was a big struggle. I'm gonna change up my standard setting and try and take some grip out of it. I don't need as much grip as what I usually do. I feel like I'm getting more comfortable with these tires and with the driving of these tires and whatnot. So I feel like I need a little bit less grip than what I usually like to run. It'll free the kart up more, or make me work harder than the chassis. But yeah, watch the whole video, enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and yeah, share around if you want to. Thank you.